Is Jasmy coin about to take off once again? We've seen a solid move in the market through the weekend, and Jasmy, well, it looks like it's about to break and head back north. We'll break down a couple of key points and a wild price prediction from someone very well known in this space. All of that in this video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. So welcome back, everybody. As always, don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you know when we go live or upload our latest content, whether it be Jasmy, XRP, or the latest meme coins you've got to see. It's all here on the 2Bit Crypto channel, but today it's all about Jasmy. Now, we've been covering this last week as we saw that another push to the upside, and Jasmy actually had a pretty big sell-off yesterday. We actually dropped about 8% in line with the rest of the market. What's very interesting, though, is that bounce off the 1.0 Fibonacci at 37.37, and now it looks like we're set for a pretty big move to the upside. We'll take a look at the technicals in just a minute, but what's going on? Well, there is some key resistance levels that we are looking to break, namely that 4-cent metric. We've been handling between 3.7 and 3.9, but a break above 4 cents, maintenance above 4 cents would give us a strong bullish close for the month, which would be pretty wild, with a potential, therefore, to see that higher price point come in. There is another key level of resistance around the 4 cent 7 range, which could be the retest that we need to break over the coming few days. Now, what's also interesting with Jasmy, don't forget, it's been on an absolute moon mission with all of the noise coming out of Japan, whether that be tax breaks for institutional investors, whether that be a theory that Apple could even have some links to Jasmy. Who knows? We have yet to get that completely confirmed as it stands, but we also see some interesting moves on the weekly chart for Jasmy versus USDT. In fact, we actually see the longer term price point crossing over that short term. What does that tell us? The momentum shift is to the upside when it comes to Jasmy. So our longer term outlook certainly feels much better than it has been. And remember, we've seen 100% gain, 200% gain on Jasmy. It's been absolutely tearing up as that volume lands, as people understand what it is. And when you chuck it all in, don't forget 98% of the entire supply is currently out there circulating in those wallets. We're seeing about 65, 75, 85,000 wallets coming in, as well as more and more people are buying into Jasmy. So obviously, therefore, people looking at what's coming. I know a lot of my community are in this play. We've been in it for a while, but even other people, well-known people in the space now, are linking onto Jasmy, are understanding why there is an absolute belief Jasmy has got so much more to come. A lot of people talking about the $1 Jasmy. That's not going to be me in this video, but there are some very bullish price predictions out there, namely Steph in Crypto here giving his view on Jasmy, saying if we break the 4 cents, we will fly to a much higher price. And there's been people like Matthew Perry giving his dollar view, as well as many others. And again, that's absolutely where we believe Jasmy is going to go. Data democratization, they have key utility, they have partnerships, they've got links with the Japanese government and many others. It's hard to imagine that Jasmy doesn't set off with a big move. And I think we'll see more and more over the coming weeks as this all plays out. Remember, they've got partnerships with the Vita, they've got partnerships with many of the banks, they've partnerships with the Japanese government, and more and more and more seem to be coming every single day. And I think the key here is you don't generally see a lot coming out of Jasmy. They keep the things behind closed doors. They are out there working, getting into events that we've seen, and we've covered them here on the channel. I think that's why people are so bullish on Jasmy, and that's why there's a lot more to come. You only have to take a look at the chart as an example. We looked at this right at the very start. This is a key and a very nice area of consolidation before we start to see a break. Now, interestingly, the MACD on the daily just looks like it's about set to reverse, which will be great news as we move into a new week. And then if you look on a slightly higher time scale, you kind of get the sentiment, or you understand where Jasmy has been, and more importantly, where Jasmy is going. Now, obviously, these were back when it first launched, back when, again, Jasmy here on the Binance chain. But look at this. We're seeing some very nice legs up. I talk about this step up as we build floor price, as we build sentiment at that higher price range. Look at this. MACD is absolutely cooking right now. So lots of metrics right now are absolutely giving us the sentiment that Jasmy is set for a further big run, that we could actually see significant more upside when it comes to Jasmy. I think we'll see a few more partnerships. I think we'll even start to hear a bit more about this token lockup that we've been talking about for so long. We've seen 2 big companies locked up, about 250 million coins already locked up, but I think there is more to come. I talked about that in a previous video, so definitely go and check that one out. But we'll keep you up to date with everything that's going on with Jasmy, Jasmy's price, Jasmy's news, and all the rest of it. All you need to do is click that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on. Click all, and you're not going to miss a beat in this price point. But let me know, what is your price prediction this week for Jasmy? Do we break 4 cents? Could we even see 5 or even 6 cents by the end of this week? The market looks primed for a big move. We'll be keeping you updated with everything going on with Jasmy, as well as the wider cryptocurrency market. As ever, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.